This is the elevator at 2750 Stickney Point Road in Sarasota, Florida. Indicator is completely out. Let's go to 2. Let's watch the view. We are at 2. Let's go down to 1. Actually, let's ring the bell first. This was installed by General and modded by ThyssenKrupp in 2017. Whoa, it's rumbling. Here's your certificate. Let's go for one more ride. And let's go down to 1. This time, let's look out going down. If it rumbles again, you'll see it. Yep. Well, that's not great, but the elevator still seems to work. Let's take a look at it from the outside. We've got a directory right here, and it says elevator. Can't really see much in. Again, this is 2750 Stickney Point Road. That'll be it.